Hi, I'm Professor Daniel Chagas, and we are going to see here how to assemble Decabot kit version 1.30. Okay? Well, this is the Decabot kit. I'm going to show you how to assemble this. You're going to need the kit itself, glue. You can't use this one, so no. You'll need two of this, a rubber band from plumbing. Well, we are going to begin detaching some parts. This one who have the name Arduino. Okay, you're going to need this one. Okay, I'm gonna put it. That part, you can see hash and the version. This one and this one. This. We're going to start with this one. And I will show you. You're going to have to put it here and here and here in both sides. So the idea is that you are going to assemble like this with the Bluetooth sign and this sign here from this side, and then you can put it just like this. And do the same with the other piece. You can press a little here. Okay. Now we're going to put this piece down here. So with the letters facing down, because your chassis is going to be like this, you're going to put some glue here, 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 and here. Also, you need to put some glue on these edges right here. And you're going to assemble like this. This is the bottom part of the robot. So I'm going to put it between the pieces. If you did it right, this hole is going to be this side, okay, as you're seeing here, and those forks here are going to fit exactly. You can press a little. Now we're going to put the front side. Well, the piece is going to be inserted like this and then get down. So I'm going to put some glue on the opposite side of the word Arduino in these forks upward here and here, and in these parts here and here, and in the descending edges like here, here, and the other side here, here, and here. And then press everything. Okay, seems pretty good. This is the basis of the chassis. Okay, now you can put some locks, and this piece you're not going to use the glue. You're going to need the bottom lock, and the servo lock. You're not going to need the glue, so you just need to insert this lock using these holes, and you'll see that this tooth is going to fit exactly inside a hole right here. So this means that your assembling is okay. In the bottom part, the piece needs to get in like this, put it in the holes, and then you lock it. We have here the basis of the chassis. Now we need to start assemble the top part and the shell. The first part you will need is this one, who might be already out from your pieces. Okay, and I will remove also the top part here, and the giraffe is here. Well, let's begin with the giraffe. The giraffe is a support for the Arduino board. It needs to be like this, with those holes aligned, and there's this guideline here to help you to put in the right position. This one we are going to glue it. Not too much glue, you know. Oh, crap. Sorry about that. Okay, now we're ready to put the giraffe on the right place. Here. A little push, and it's okay. Now we're going to put this piece with this part on top. So this one, it will connect the buttons. So the buttons is gonna be here. So we're gonna put it using these holes here to align with these parts here, and it will fit perfectly. Yeah, see? Again. Now we're going to put this part over it, but we will glue it. How? In every part we have those marks, but not in the button. I'm gonna put it a little bit here and here. But remember, not in here and not in the guides, okay? Because these parts are going to be removable. You're going to remove the shell from your robot. So everything's perfect, and we're gonna to put everything together. Oh yeah! Be sure that everything is aligned. Looking to those parts here, it must be exactly, the lines must be exactly in the same alignment, okay? Yeah. You can put the robot like this, and make a little push. Yeah, look at this. Okay, let's begin with right side of the robot. I'm gonna put it right this. The Bluetooth symbol marks the right side of the robot. I'm gonna remove the left and the front. This is the right position, okay? You are just going to glue the top part, you know, because nothing here down is going to be glued. So what you need to do is to put some glue on these parts and above these parts, okay? Gently down the part so it will connect here, and there's a support here so the piece can stand. And if you are doing everything right, it will fit nicely. Okay? Very good. And now let's turn it. Take the other part. This is the front part of a robot. So let's do the same. Again. Now we need to put the back part. Remember, these parts are removable, so you're going to glue it here, 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 and here. This one. Like this. And that's the right position. I'm gonna put it here, the side, and here, here, and here, in this hole and this part, all over this line here and here. Don't worry if you put it in some wrong places. You can remove it later. Here and here. Okay, everything must fit right. Okay, seems good. Good. This front part, let's remove the excess pieces. Trash. Well, there's no glue on this part, okay? So it's just gonna fit right here, and this part is gonna fit in here, and those two holes is just for this hook here. See? Okay. Now we have a full assembly shell and chassis. Let's put it to rest a little. I'm gonna put it right here to the wheel parts are this four here, these here, and these here. So remove everything. And here. Here. The first thing I need to do is to put some glue on those lines. Now I'm gonna put some pieces like this, fitting those parts on the holes like this. and the other ones to assemble this here and this here. Now I'm going to put some glue inside, just a little, and I'm going to put this one first. Okay, attention to be just in the same position, please. Now the second one is the round one. Let's put some glue. Perfect. And now we're going to put this one here. So we're going to put the glue in the same way we did the first time. And some glue over this part too. Yeah. Perfect. Let's put it here and make another one. Yes, science. Okay. Yeah, it seems pretty good. Now the tires. As I said, this one is a rubber band from plumbing. This 6 millimeters, 50 millimeters, 62.5. And inches, 2.46, 2.0 inches, 0.23 inches. So how do you use it? Easy. You just put it like this and you have a perfect wheel. Okay, nice. About a robot, well, here's the chassis, and if you did it right, you know that this part is removable. And we have here a lock system, so you can unlock it like this, and now you can remove the inside part of the chassis. If you're not going to use the motors right now, you need to remove these two ones here. And this one. So how you're going to do this, let me show you. You're going to make an X for the wheel. So you remove this seal here, and in the other side. On this part, you're going to put it like this, fitting here in this hole here. I'm going to show you slowly. Remember, the long part pointing down, and the small one like this, perpendicular. You need to put some force. And these ones I'm going to fit like this. Look, now you have an X for your wheel, you know, because you can use the round part to put it right in the position. This hole here and this part here, we're gonna make it like this. Well, this is a solution. You don't need to glue it because this is temporarily. So when you get your motors, you're going to remove these and put the motor here using bolts. So You put the wheel here. Okay. Oh, it's quite nice. And now we're gonna assemble everything together. So I'm gonna take my shell right here. I'm gonna slide the chassis and make sure that everything is gonna connect right here in these holes. Okay, perfect. Put the lock system. I fit it, and I have this kind of a way to lock it everything, you know. I put my fingers right here and lock like this, and everything is perfect. Yeah. At last, the face. Oh yeah, and now you have a Decabot version 1.3.0 perfectly assembled to receive the electronics, and it will be perfectly in your desk if you want, and you can use it all the other holes to make all the possibilities of the platform. Okay. Oh, and don't forget, you need to name it. So you're going to reg.decabot.com. This one is the first one who is in the YouTube, so I'm gonna call it ITB01. So now you have your Decabot robot assembled, and it's ready to put the electronics, the Arduino, batteries, and everything. So if you need more information, search for decabot.com in your web browser. Thank you for watching.